Dear friends, it is said that hair is a crown that you never take off. It frames your face and deserves all the care it needs. Growing hair and keeping them healthy is quite a task. Almost 60 to 70% population suffers from the hair problems like hair fall, thinning, baldness, grey hair, dull hair, split ends and dandruff. There are many medicines available in the market, but they need to be used daily and they also have many side effects. Many people find it impractical to use them. Today I am going to discuss the home remedies for hair problem using the onion juice. Onion is readily available in every household and it is quite beneficial for many hair problems. Onion contains sulfur and antioxidant enzyme catalase. Sulfur helps in regeneration of the hair, whereas a catalase helps in improving the growth. Both sulfur and catalase reduce the premature graying and breakage of the hair. It has antibacterial properties and keeps your scalp healthy. When you massage your scalp with onion juice, it improves the blood circulation and nourishment of the scalp. Here are few home remedies using the onion juice with other ingredients. Onion juice. Grind 1 to 2 red onions in grinder to make a juice. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of onion juice to massage the scalp either with the finger or with a cotton swab. Leave it for 15 minutes to 16 minutes and then wash it with a mild shampoo and water. Onion juice helps in increasing the blood circulation and stimulates the growth of hair. Second remedy is to mix 1 tablespoon of onion juice with equal part of beer and apply this mixture on the scalp. Leave it for 60 minutes and then wash it with the water. In combination with the onion juice, beer brings the shine to hair and improves the hair growth. Third remedy is mix 2 tablespoons of onion juice with half tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture on the scalp and leave it for half an hour and then wash with a mild shampoo. Honey keeps the hair hydrated and it boosts the hair growth and hair health. Fourth remedy is mix 2 tablespoons of onion juice with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Make a smooth mixture and apply it on the entire scalp. Keep it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This mixture nourishes the scalp and has antibacterial properties which improves the hair growth. Fifth remedy is to mix 1 tablespoon of onion juice with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply it on the scalp and leave it for 60 minutes. This mixture helps in strengthening the hair follicle and decreases the dandruff by balancing the pH of the scalp. It helps in improving the hair growth. Sixth tip is to make mixture of 2 tablespoons of onion juice and 2 tablespoons of coke castor oil. Apply this mixture on the scalp and leave it for 60 minutes. Castor oil decreases the hair fall and increases the volume of hair. Seventh remedy is onion juice plus egg white. Apply it for 60 minutes. Make sure to wash your hair with cold water so that the egg doesn't get entangled in the hair. Proteins in the egg nourishes the hair and onion juice promotes the hair growth. Eighth remedy is mix 1 tablespoon of onion juice with 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Apply this mixture on scalp and leave for 30 minutes. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and fights the skin infections, whereas onion promotes the hair growth. Both onion and ginger increases the blood circulation and decreases the hair fall. Ninth remedy is mixture of 1 tablespoon of onion juice and 2 tablespoons of potato juice. Apply it on the scalp and keep it for 30 minutes. This promotes the scalp, leading to good growth of the healthy hair. Onion plus olive oil. Uh, Apply it on the scalp and leave for 1 to 2 hours. This helps in nourishing the scalp, increases the hair growth and gives shine to hair. It also has good anti-dandruff properties. So these are the different types of mixtures of onion juice which can help in fighting many hair problems to keep them healthy, long and shiny. Few things to keep in mind are: apply this mixture at least 2 to 3 times a week. Massage the mixture into the scalp. Always rinse it with mild shampoo and water. If you don't like the smell of the onion, then wash the hair with baking soda, lemon or tomato puree. Keep in mind that you need to use this remedy at least 3 months to see the results. Other tips for the good healthy hair is to maintain a healthy diet, to have sufficient sleep and to have stress-free life. So that's it for today. For more tips on healthy diet and other healthy tips, subscribe to this channel.